We got Steve Mueller's KOH build going on right now. We're working on the cage still. It's almost done. We got the rear bumper and the front bumper to do, and then pretty much it. So come in here, check out the back. The radiator mount and everything in there. Alright guys, most of the cage here is all TIG welded and stuff, so that's what we generally do use. It's a 1.75" Docal tubing. We're doing that for the first time for me. Welding on that. We did his last one was chromoly, and this time we went with Docal. But yeah, it's all TIG welded, 0.95 tubing. 1.75", 1.5", and 1.25" will make up the structure of it. So, got the rear bumper mocked up right now, the old rear bumper, so we could figure out where we want our tire to sit on the back here. We're about to start working on that, but we've got a pretty good idea where we're going to build a shelf right here off the new bumper to hold the tire, and then we got a 3-point strap that'll hold that all in. Getting ready to start laying out the roof. I got it covered up, got the dash and everything covered up on the XP Pro here and we're gonna lay out the roof. The roof is rolled. We got it down over here. It's rolled, ready to go. We gotta work on putting all the tabs in and stuff to hold the roof down and stuff for here. We got an 1/8" aluminum we're using for this build. King of the Hammer specs is for 1/8" aluminum, so, or 120, I believe, 0.120 thickness. But some of the things we got done so far, we got the spare tire carrier in and stuff done yesterday. We just got one strap on there right now, waiting on the Y strap to come in. Just waiting on the actual strap we're going to use. But spare tire carrier's done, light bars mounted for the rear. CNR Racing's radiator was already in there from the previous year. So, but we're gonna have opening doors for this. So we just kind of came up with this A-frame support that should work pretty good and stuff. We got to put a second latch in for the door still and the window net. But that way easier to get in and out for the King of the Hammers race for the passenger and driver if needed. Big ass plate there. But yeah, Day 5, we're starting right now on this build. Well, technically day 4, I'd call it with the time and everything. But yeah, we should hopefully be all wrapped up today and stuff, and then pull everything off, send it to powder coat. We got tons of other pieces already at powder. We got all the suspension stuff and everything already at powder coat, so we'll see. Swap this stuff over when that stuff's done, and then Steve's gonna start putting everything together. I'm gonna run over there at some point and take some videos, help him out and stuff, and then get this thing ready for end of January. The beginning of February is the race, so we got a little bit of time, but not a whole lot of time with the amount of work that we got to do. All right, guys, we got our XC bumper tacked up, ready to go. We got 2 different bumpers. We got basically it's bolted up. As you can see, we're just going off the bungs for the top here. All we got is a straight bar for the top of the tire carrier, and then basically just stop down here. It's stopped down here for the bumper, and then for the XC bumper, we're just going all the way up like we had last year. It should still keep us adequately, can I say that word? Anyways, it should be able to give us an adequate protection like it did last year. Working on the front bumper here, nothing really to it yet. We just got the plate in there. Then we got one side done. Basically, it's just going to mirror that, then have a bull bar hoop. But pretty simple. We got the roof tacked on, or actually bolted on. It's done. Roof's up on there. We do have a wing we got to pick up. That'll go across the back. Let's see here. I think that's it for everything for now. All we really got left is we're gonna work on the window net frames. The latch, and then final weld everything. Not a whole lot of welding left. Here's a shot of. Here's the. Get this in focus. We got the tire carrier here. It's all welded up, ready to go. We put a bar across the back here. That'll be for the Pro Eagle jack will go back there, and it'll bolt in there, be out of the way. And then we might be able to bolt some other stuff to it. But yeah, that's should basically be a wrap on this. Should be done tonight sometime, maybe tomorrow. Might have to come and do some welding and stuff, but it'll be done. So, there it is. And just like that, guys, it is done. It's out of here. Just went in the trailer. The fab work's done for the most part. We might have 1 or 2 little things to do later. We still have about 2 months left before King of the Hammers race. We got a little bit left to do and stuff. It's got to get wrapped and everything, powder coated and stuff. We might have a little bit more fab work to do, but it's gone. So that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not already, so you can watch more of these builds and stuff come about. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, it's all right.